17th one, write a Python program to sort give a given matrix in ascending order according to the sum of its rows using lambda. Okay, so if you take this input list of lists, so we have to arrange in ascending order the list is here, output here. Okay, 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for that we have to use sorted in lambda function. Simple, take the input as this list only. Yeah, and define any function, define lamb whatever, pass the parameter, take a variable sorted function. In sorted function, first parameter is a iterable or object x comma, and second parameter is a lambda function lambda, and y argue in z. Okay, sum of z, simple, right? That's it. In default it arranges in ascending order. Return y, print that one, print max sorry lamb of x, simple lamb of x, just execute now. See, output will be in ascending order here. Okay, simple one. I hope you this understand lambda function. Okay, so lambda argument colon expression it sums. Okay, and it arranges in ascending order. Sorted function, the job of sorted function is to arrange the elements in ascending order. Okay, that's it. Okay.